In this problem, we're going to simplify an expression using the rules for order of operations and combining like terms. We have an expression that contains several sets of grouping symbols. So we're going to simplify by beginning with the innermost set of grouping symbols. Now the way to find the innermost set of grouping symbols is to notice that these braces, the left one is here, the right one is here, they're on the outside of the expression. When we move in, we see that these brackets, the left one is here, the right one is here, that's still outside the parentheses. So the parentheses in here would be the innermost set of grouping symbols. So we'll start by simplifying inside the parentheses. And I'm going to write the rest of the expression out on each step so that each line is equivalent to the line above it. And you want to do that so that you don't do little bits of simplification all over your page and at the end not know how to put the pieces together. So I copy A minus up until the parentheses, and then the minus sign, and I'll go ahead and write my parenthesis here, but I'll simplify. 2a minus 4a is negative 2a. And copying the rest of this, I will now work in my next, I have parentheses around negative 2a, but I will now, that's a simplified form, I can now work with the next set of grouping symbols, which are the brackets. So again, I'll copy what I'm not going to change this time. And in the brackets, I have 4a minus a negative 2a. Well, I'm going to rewrite that as an addition of 4a plus the opposite of negative 2a, which is 2a. And now I will simplify by adding 4a plus 2a inside what is now my innermost set of grouping symbols. A minus a copy of what I'm not going to change. And 4a plus 2a is 6a. And I've simplified there. Now I'm going to simplify again inside the braces, which are my remaining set of grouping symbols. I have a minus, I have 3a plus the opposite of 6a. 3a plus the opposite of 6a I can write as negative 3a. And finally, I have a minus the opposite, or a minus the opposite of 3a, which is the same thing as a plus positive 3a, which simplifies to 4a. Going step by step, working from the innermost set of parentheses out, I have simplified that most complicated expression to 4a.